There's a blue one over there. What the heck? Maybe like a fly. Oh, they go for it. Oh, that guy, man. This guy. Wow, it's been a while. It's been a while since you have no idea where I am. This is somewhere in Peru. The nearest town is Huancayo City. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find one of these places where they farm trout. Let's see if they allow me to fish, even though I don't have any gear. But let's give it a shot. This is one. I don't think there's a trout farm in this, but I know somewhere in this area, somewhere in this street, I will find one. Oh, there's one actually over there. Hola, señor, una pregunta, ¿eso es una criadero de truchas?
Sí.
¿No?
Más allá hay otro.
Ah, no es de esta entrada, ¿no? Es el de allá. Ah, ya. Ya, gracias. The entrance is over there. Let's see. I heard that there's a place here where they have a lightning trout too. And lightning trout, eh? Lightning trout in Peru, man. That's pretty good. That's pretty. Yeah, gracias. Okay, this is one of the places. Let's see. Hola amigo, ¿qué tal? ¿El restaurante está abajo? Yeah. Quiero ver más quiero ver la trucha y a ver, quiero ver. ¿Se ven las truchas o el agua está turbia?
No se ve.
Yeah. Oh, está pequeño. De acá lo pescan.
Sí, caserito.
¿Y ese amarillo?
Es amarillo, hijo. Es amarillo.
Estoy preguntando nomás, ¿eh? No le vayas a sacar ahorita.
No, estamos sacando trucha ahí.
¿Esto lo traen de la piscigranja de arriba?
Sí.
¿A cuál está buscando?
Hay dos truchos más que tienen casi gancho, que se ha salido.
Ah, que sean... Hay uno ahí botado, muerto, ve. Ah, le han sacado el gancho y se ha muerto. Yeah, para la cocina. Okay, so they have a very small tank, but that's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm actually trying to get to this place over here. Should be up there. There are two more places. I don't think I'm gonna have much success today, but for the first time I'm just gonna take a good look, and next time I'll try to come back with a fishing rod actually.
Ya por su amigo tengo pesca, papá, pesca deportiva. Aquí en Artur usted pesca su trucha y eso lo preparamos al momento, amigo. La trucha que pesca. Claro, puedes ver, papá, pase.
¿Cómo se llama?
Papita, Artur.
Artur.
Sí. Cortesía papita la huancaína.
Voy a chequear, ¿ya?
A ver, pase para que puedas observar.
Yeah, gracias. Apparently there's a couple places over there. Hola, ¿cómo está? Ya, gracias. ¿Cuál es su tanquecito ese? Okay. Ah, pero ustedes tienen el equipo también, ¿o?
Sí.
Ah, ya. ¿Y cuánto me saldría?
Puede pescar gratis.
¿Y si lo saco y lo mato?
Si deseas.
Esos son los albinos, ¿no? Ya. ¿Con qué lo pescan? A ver.
Ya, ahorita lo vas a ver.
A ver, por favor. So she's gonna bring me a hook and a line. So there are some linings over there. So what she's telling me is that I don't really have to cook it. They're gonna try to release it. Yeah, I don't know. If I kill it, I'll have to. they're gonna have to cook it. But yeah, look. Man, I don't have my fishing gear. I want to try my light, but they're pretty small. You know, I'm actually looking for big ones. I'm actually looking for big ones over here. Yeah, but very fun for kids, eh? Yeah, they get the water from there and they try down there. Yeah, they collect the water from the river. That's what all these restaurants have a small farm in there. Oh, excuse me. Pan. Es pancito. Oh, it's some bread. Okay. So let's see. She gave me this. Yeah, I've tried this before. Long time ago. It's a bamboo rod. I'm just gonna. I hope I'm gonna try the good angle so you can see the. Oh, say you can see the. Okay. They're trying to hit it. Yeah, they're trying to hit it. Oh, they rápido lo quieren comer, ¿no? Yeah. I'm actually jigging it. Voy a buscar uno de esos albinos. Oh, me faltó pan. Me faltó pan. Se llevó. It took my bread. Ya, gracias. They actually don't want to charge me anything to try to catch a fish, but you know, I try to. Let's see if they just go for the hook, maybe like a fly. Oh, they go for it. Oh. They just go for the hook, man. I don't need any breads for it. If I jig the hook, look, yeah. If I jig the hook, too bad this has a barb in it. No necesito pan. Mira. I'm gonna try to do this. Oh, yeah, we should have. No debería tener, no es necesario el garfito, si no, no se puede soltar. ¿No tienes un alicate? ¿No? Okay. Okay, I'll get back. I'm just gonna do one more because I don't have any of my gear, so I don't really wanna. But okay. Can I have? But I'm gonna try the bread because I wanna target the lightning. I'm trying. Oh, he wants, but I wanna try it. I wanna go for the linings. Oh, I'm dodging these guys. Oh, I'm dodging these guys. Come on, lining. There. Come on. Ah, jeez. There's a blue one over there. What the heck? Come on, lining. El albino no come mucho, ¿no? Más difícil. Yeah, she's telling me that the lining is a little bit more tricky. Ah. They really rise up. Let's see if I go up there. Okay, I'm just gonna go one more. Okay, the blue one, the blue one. Ok. Ay, ayúdame tú a sacarlo. Cuidado. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Gracias. Okay, that was pretty cool, man. But yeah, I'm gonna have to hook a few if I really want to try if I want to get the lining. But yeah, too bad they have the hook with a barb on it. Next time I'll bring my gear. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get a couple more places. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. See you guys there. Intihuasi. So there's another one. This is one of the bigger places. Oh yeah, they have some trout there. Hola señorita, ¿puedo ir a ver cómo se puede pescar aquí?
Claro, la pesca y las fotos en las ruinas y las cataratas es por consulta.
Por consulta. Yeah. Oh, there's a big one over there. Yeah, there are a bunch of small ones, but they only allow me to fish here. But as soon as I get one, they're gonna cook it for me. And I just had lunch. Lunch. So next time I might do that, but I don't like the small ones. You know, if I'm actually gonna cook one, it's gonna have to be a big one. Yeah. And this is the bigger. This is the other place. They're only allowing me to. Holy shit! They're the big ones over here. Oh my goodness! This is like a salmon run over here. But they don't allow me to fish here. They only want me to fish the small ones. But these are the guys I wanna fish. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Holy man, that's like a small coho right there. Probably 2 pounds. Yeah, I would say just over 2 pounds. Most of them are 2 pounds. There are some linings over there. Alrighty. Yeah. No, I don't think I can do much over here. I don't want to fish the small ones. I wonder if there's some wild trout in this, because they only get the water from this, but this is the main river, you know. But there should be some trout in there. Yeah, this is actually the place I want to come here. And I don't know if they will allow me to fish here. Yeah. ¿Cuánto está el ingreso? A ver. Por si acaso dejan pescar. Solo ver. Ah, ya. ¿De aquí o del río? Aquí en la piscigranja. Oh. Solamente esas fechas van a ser pesca partida. Ah, ya. Pucha, me perdí. Ya, gracias. Hola. Yeah. Gracias. So this is the main fish farm, trout farm in the area. One of the a lot of people buy trout from here for the restaurants and for the stores and everything. So they over here they are the main growers of trout. They told me it is not allowed to fish. There are only 2 times in the year where there's a small competition that they do in a different pond, I guess, maybe over there. But I just missed it. I just missed it by 10 days probably. I didn't know. No, it was and the next one is in July, so I don't think I'll be here in July. But I can see a lot of linings over here. Oh boy, a lot of linings. A lot of linings. Okay, what I think is that they use these big nets and they just pull all the fish over here. No, because this is just a small area, they can pull absolutely everything. ¿Van a comprar? ¿Ustedes van a comprar? No, 4 truchas al kilo. So what they're doing is they are picking the trout that they want to buy. As I told you, they buy from here. They buy from here. So they're getting about, let's say 4 trout per $5. That's about there. That's the minimum you're gonna get. Maybe 5 trout. So 1 trout per $1. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah. ¿Cuánto pesa eso? 6 kilos. They're buying 6 kilos of trout. There's come some more. But they're always buying from here. Yeah. See, they dump it here and they pick it. Some of them have eggs. I can see some eggs in there. See, they have, those are the eggs. But I don't see the big ones. I don't know where the big ones are. Maybe they don't have it over here. Because most of the trout that are consumable for stores and everything have just the really small ones, about 300 grams. People don't really buy the big ones, you know. But I know there are some big ones there. I mean, in the other place I saw them. Yeah, right? Oh yeah, they clean it over here, and they probably sell it for a little bit more price than the whole. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, there's another section where they have the big ones, similar size as the one that Fish BC. Oh man, yeah. These are bigger. These are bigger than 2 pounds. Holy moly! Let me see. Oh yeah, okay, these are the big ones. These are the big ones. This guy has like 4 or 5 pounds, man. Look at that. Look at that monster over there. Holy, look at that guy, man. This guy is like over 10 pounds. I don't know, you can see he's a fat guy. Look at that guy. I mean, I bet it's a female, but so thick. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that fella. I guarantee if I hold that fish there, it's gonna be so thick. Yeah, that's over 10 pounds, man. That's over 10 pounds. Good. Awesome. Awesome. Female, male. That's the lining. Okay. You know, I'm not very savvy on this stuff. I don't know the names. No touching. Is there no filming over here? I don't know. I don't see any. Oh, look at this. Look at this fish. Eh? Look at this fish. Look at that little guy. Bats. Look at this. Yeah. No touching Jose. No touching Jose. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, every tank has a trout, some sort of trout. Juveniles over there. I can see the juvenile. Yeah, 18, 25 centimeters long. All the way from there is this place. All the way from there. That's the entrance over there. I'm gonna come back and try to get a lightning trout in another video. For today, it's probably enough. I'm gonna try to find a river somewhere in here so I can actually do some proper fishing. Much of this is very new to me, even though I'm from Peru. All this is fairly new. But take care, guys. See you. I hope you enjoyed the video.